Welcome to Crafting with Kara. I hope that you'll join in as I make some farmhouse inspired projects using Dollar Tree and recycled items. Come watch.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Crafting with Kara. Today I have ready 3 DIY projects, one from our local Dollar Tree, one from the Dollar General, and one from items I found around the house. So I hope that you pull up a chair and we can get started on some really fun projects. Here are the items for this project: a USA sign from Dollar Tree, jumbo popsicle sticks, a Sharpie, Mod Podge, the bucket from Dollar Tree, the flower and garden, ribbon, any kind of white paint that you prefer, wood glue for the popsicle sticks, and last but not least for me, I had to use a Google Images. Alright, so here I just got this Rust-Oleum white spray paint, and I just spray painted this little bucket from the Dollar Tree. I only gave it one coat and I did not spray the inside. Let it dry and I was ready to go on to my... Okay, so I took my sign, my USA sign, and I turned it over, and I decided I wanted to have a different kind of texture, not just have the board, but have a shiplap type look. So I got the jumbo popsicle sticks from the Dollar Tree, and I pre-cut them before I recorded this so that they would all fit nice and snugly. I did have to measure and trim and kind of move things around. It was like a puzzle. But I started off, as you can see, with some Elmer's glue, and then I decided I better use some wood glue. So I used some wood glue, and I went ahead and glued these pieces all on. And I didn't go all the way down because about 3/4 of the way down is where you're going to put your pot. So you're going to need have holes, so I did not put my popsicle sticks all the way down. Okay, my paint is now dry. So I will be choosing some Google Images. This one says Spring Farmers Market Daily, Fresh Daily. I'm centering it in the middle, and I like to use lots of Mod Podge. I want to make sure that there's no bubbles. So I use a nice soft paintbrush and I smooth it out. All right, go ahead and put your image on there. This is for those who do not have Cricuts. You can go on to Google Images and hit free, and it's endless. So many really cool things on there that I just absolutely love. All right, I'm just centering it, smoothing it out. This is really tricky because you will get bubbles if you do not smooth it out. Then I'm covering the top with more Mod Podge, and I hope I'm saying it right. And then I will smooth it out more, get the corners really good, and set it off to dry. Have the recording. I did also Mod Podge a Google Image sign to the front of my can. I didn't want to use the can that was already on it, or I'm sorry, the design, so I wanted it to be a little different. So after I let it dry, I went over it with a black Sharpie and kind of defined the words flowers, and also I used the marker around on the can to get some distressing, to make it look dimensional and kind of old and rustic. I just went over those, and I didn't go over them exactly. I kind of skipped around on those letters just to make it look so it's not so perfect. I also colored in some rust and the handles on the little flower pots down below. Next, I had my husband drill 2 holes in the back of the planter. Then we decided to use 1 zip tie and attach the planter to the back of the board. Next, I wanted to add some greenery, so I picked up these cute little sacks of lavender from the Dollar General. And there you have it, my project is complete. Looking so cute. I hope you had as much fun as I did making this DIY project. It's looking so cute and it's bringing in some great spring vibes. I want you to please check back for this next project. Rusted Plate. Thanks again.